We are on the verge of finally completing that and the process of scientific mining within the next 60 days.
Menteri Rambak Jela Konrad ke Sangmah ke Sutrik Jemang Ulayathu Maglinti ban Sdang no i ke Jingtih marpo Khyndew Katkum ke stat Saïan kanlong Hapoh Khyndew Sngi banwan namar la pendap lut ya baru hikot gisla ban lasa satang kakot ke bakadu. Konrad Sangmah ulong ru National President ke National People's Party habakran ke jingilap election na soyong ulong batang Hapoh Khyndew Sngi on Sdang no i ke Jingtih marpo Khyndew Katkum ke stat Saïan hakajela Meghalaya.
And within a matter of 60 days from now, scientific mining process will start in the state of Meghalaya, which is the biggest milestone, and this will change once again the livelihood of people in this area also and in many parts of the state. This has been one of the commitments that was given by the National People's Party, and I'm happy to inform you that we are on the verge of finally completing that and the process of scientific mining within the next 60 days.
Ulang penkemaru bagi Supreme Court kelabatan ke Sarkar Meghalaya baru ke Sarkar India ban penkria ke Jingtih halor ke Jingtih marpo Khyndew.
I would like to inform all of you that the day has come. Government of India has finally approved the mining lease for 4 miners. Government of India is now under the process, and Government of Meghalaya is now under the process to do the final paperwork for the scientific mining to start.
Kumancukdaw hang ni ke National Green Tribunal hubnaya yang arjar khatsaw ke hukuman khang kredap yang rukom ti marpo Khyndew ha gejela. Ke Supreme Court haus nam arjar khat khandai kla weng no ke jing khang ti marpo Khyndew bar kelabata ke jing menteri kam ke jing ti marpo Khyndew katkum ke stat Saïan. Ya kini Konrad Sangmah ulakran hak jingilang jong ke NPP ke bala pelong ke jingilap election hak kerang ban panjang kerja nak bentau kurtong keseng uba samlen malyang hak balai dan ringkar ru badu sembut menteri Rambak Jela uba prestuan tensong.